And now, another My Inner Thoughts video review. Here's your chance to take a peek inside my head. Hopefully, it will give you good insight and improve your decisions. Now, I can't say everything is true to reality, but I can say it's the way I see it. So, take what you will. And today, under review, we're at Culver's Restaurant. Starting today, June 16, 2025, they've revamped their chicken sandwiches. The 3 new sandwiches include a crispy chicken, a spicy chicken, and a grilled chicken sandwich. Culver's describes the upgrade as juicier, crispier, and tastier. As part of the promotion, each restaurant is giving away 100 chicken sandwiches. The cashier was kind enough to let me know I could have 2 of them. Then she gave me these 2 little coins as a remembrance of the event. They don't mind if you order it your way. So I asked to remove the tomatoes and add raw onions and grilled onions. Ordered the fries and Coke separate, and the total bill came to $5.57. Culver's ranks high in my book, where the competition might say buy one get one free. Culver's has everyday reasonable prices. And when they run a promotion like today, not only 1 sandwich free, but 2? That's unheard of. And the meat is USA Farm Fresh. Well, today I gotta say, Culver's made me feel like a king. I heard they upgraded the pickle to a thicker, crispier one. The standard configuration is a toasted brioche bun, pickles, mayo, lettuce, and tomatoes. And of course you can have it your way, like I did here. And there was no extra cost for the raw onions and the grilled onions, whereas other restaurants like Taco Bell and Arby's will charge you extra. Oh geez, it just dawned on me I could have ordered the second sandwich a different way, with the southern style breading, the seasoning with the onion, garlic, and zesty black pepper. Oh man, what an amateur. Well, with my overall experience, you get a 10 out of 10. That's right, Culver's gets a 10 out of 10 for their all-new chicken sandwich. Hey, if you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe. We're up to 91 so far on YouTube.